As many of you know, Pandas is one of the most popular Python libraries for data processing. So I wanted to get into maybe some of its lesser known functions. And one of those awesome ones is the query function. This is an excellent way to filter your data frame using a string expression, almost like you're using SQL to query the database. So here we have data. It's got names, ages, and salaries. So we're going to read that into a data frame that we call df. And so now we're going to use the query function on that data frame. And we're going to pass in the string specifying that we want values where the age is greater than 25 and the salary is greater than 50,000. And we store that in the value result. So now if we print that result, you can see it returns just a really nice table of our values. And so in this way, you're treating your data frame almost like a database and querying it with a string. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and leave a comment letting me know what topic I should cover next.